That's cute. Snow Steppers. Show the Woo and his niggas. Or Winter Wonderland.
Get this weak shit out of here.
This is how we do it in the Grove. That's all you got, warm blood? Oh yeah, I can tell you melt under pressure.
The fuck is with all these snow lines?
Winter's coming, nigga.
Alright, Mr. Freeze.
Say my shit right.
Talking a lot with your life on the line.
You kinda cold with the hands, little nigga. That bitch nigga snuck me? Yo! This ain't over, ho! Boy, I'll put something on you so cold. Is that all you warm blood bitches got?
Egress. The dead homie. Nigga, you finna meet some dead homies.
You ain't shit.
Slide. I'm iron!
What the fuck is that?
Iron!
You can get it too, Shaq.
Man, can we just jump this nigga already? Man, fuck it. On Pyro, run him out.
Y'all really said run up.
Oh, no, don't want for blood. We everywhere. I mean, everywhere.
So it's fuck the solo shit, huh? That's cold.
You only saying that cause all your homies dead.
It don't matter. Baby Blizz, handle his own.
I'm iron!
You warm bloods thought you could take out the coldest.
Man, shut that shit up.
You must not know, nigga. It's Bowrica, aka Baby Blizz.
I don't give a fuck about your name, man. You was right about one thing. I ain't never met a dead nigga that ain't cold. I'm iron. Iron, what the fuck? Stop that shit.
Blood, I tried to tell him, but I think this nigga crashed.
Boy, didn't I just tell? You know what? Somebody get this nigga.
Iron? Nah, don't look at me. That'd be the problem with you young niggas.